Hi, I'm Nick. Welcome back to $5 Shake. This is a nice short video about Biscoff, called Speculoos in the US. Don't know why the name is different, but over here and I think other parts of Europe, Biscoff, the name is a combination of biscuits and coffee. The flavour is a caramelised cinnamon flavour. They're so popular now. The last couple of years they've got a massive resurgence. I mean, they've been around for donkey's years. Always used to get them in hotels on your pillow when you'd stay, in a single little biscuit wrapped up. But so we're going to do a nice Biscoff cookies and cream. We're going to use some of this spread here, and we're also going to use some of these. Now, you can't get these everywhere. I don't know why, but they are a Biscoff cookie round with a Biscoff cream in the middle. So let's just get stuck in and make it. So to make this ice cream, put your milk and sugar in a pan and heat it up slowly to dissolve the sugar. Once that's dissolved, add in 200 grams of your Biscoff spread and whisk it until it's fully incorporated. Normally I'd add the cream at this stage, but for this one we're going to leave that out. Once that's all ready, put it into a container in your fridge. What I did here is add the cream at this stage, and it drops the temperature of your base down really quickly. It means you only have to keep it in the fridge for an hour or two. Once the base is chilled, put it in your ice cream machine and churn as you would do normally. In my machine this will take about 10 to 12 minutes, but in others it might take half an hour. Whilst your ice cream's churning, take your Biscoff cookies and chop them up nice and small. You don't want them all really small, you want some big chunks in there as well. Put them in a tub, ready for when your ice cream is churned. When your ice cream is ready, we're going to load the tub up. Now just don't scrimp on the cookies like everyone else does. Put loads in there so you get a really good taste of it. The ice cream flavour is really heavy of Biscoff, so you might as well go the whole hog and put loads of Biscoff cookies in there as well. Pop it in the freezer when it's ready, and we'll take it out in a few hours. Got the tub out of the freezer. Let's get some in the bowl and see what it looks like. Look at it, it looks incredible. I'll put a picture of the top here, but obviously you can see loads of bits of the cookie in there. These cookies smell incredible. So, I mean, if you don't know what Biscoff or Speculoos smell like or taste like, then just go out and try some, they're great. The actual ice cream itself, let's try it. The base is really creamy. You can taste the actual biscuits, the flavour of Biscoff come through a lot. It's a very heavy flavour in that base. You get the little crunch of those cookies in there as well. And most people, you know, there's big store brands, there's not a lot in there. The cookies and cream of various flavours, there's not a lot of cookies in there, it's more cream. So don't scrimp on the cookies. Put loads in so you've got a crunch in every bite. But the actual cookies are an amazing flavour in themselves. Do try this, it's really simple, really easy. You can buy all the bits in the shops as it is. Great flavour, very popular. Hope you enjoy this one. We're actually working on a massive video in the background for our 150 subscriber mark, which we'll hope to get to soon. It's a big video, so just, you know, be prepared for that one. For now, thank you very much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.